Good afternoon. It's June 13th, 2018. My name is Ian Garcia. Today, this video is the salt tolerance and pH testing. So what I'm gonna do is do this video before I actually do everything, because for safety reasons, it's only me. If I had another hand, I'll do it I'll video as we go, but I don't. So, okay, here we go. So first thing they want you to do is label these 6 nutrient broths. First 3 are the epidermis labeling. So it goes as follow, right here. Okay. So the first 3 is epidermis, and the next 3 is the cerevisiae. So what we're gonna do is the same thing as the other ones, you know, as far as sterile technique or aseptic technique. Make sure things are sterilized so we get the most efficient and exact results from this testing. So after these are labeled, we can go ahead and take off the tube, out of the top of the tube, put it on the fire, you know, a couple seconds. Remember, this is not glass. These vials are not glass, so I had to learn the hard way. So after we do that, what we're gonna do is get this HCI, which is hydrochloric acid. We're gonna put 1 drop in each of the pH 5. So it's pH 5 right here, and the pH 5 ceri and epidermis. We're putting 1 drop each, and we're gonna skip the pH 7 vials, okay? Because apparently these are already correct balance of pH and blah 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 salt water thing, okay? So we're gonna move on to the pH 9 vials, okay? These 2, and we're gonna go ahead and put a drop of sodium hydroxide into the pH 9 vials. So after we do that, we sterilize the covers and caps again and close it. These we're gonna dispose of. After we do that, we're gonna go ahead and take our active broths of the S. cerevisiae and the S. epidermis, and we're gonna put 2 drops each in each vial. So it goes as follows. So all the epidermis nutrient broth will go 2 drops in all the epidermis vials, which is these 3. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the cerevisiae active broth, take 2 drops of pipette, and do the other 3 cerevisiae. Now we're gonna do it with the pipette. This is already sterilized. I'm letting it dry. So by the time, you know, I'm gonna use this, it's already gonna be dry. There's no alcohol in it. And that's pretty much it. After we do this, we're gonna go ahead and let it incubate for 24 hours initially. And then after 24 hours, we're gonna go back and look at it and see the development, see if there's, you know, if it's changed anything, changed any of the dynamics of the broth or the liquid or whatnot. And if you don't see anything, we're gonna let it sit and incubate for another 24 hours. And then after that, it should be the results of this testing. So hopefully this was very informative, and hopefully you understood the process, the step-by-steps of this testing. So thank you for your time, and go Warriors.